What's up guys, it's Stefan here from Silverback Customs. So today is a very exciting day for us. We're on day one of our CR250 build. We're building it up to tear it down so we can see what we've got. It's about 21 degrees outside now, so that's about 70 Fahrenheit. Nice and sunny, so we're going to work outside. Let's go.
Trapped inside this spell. Now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that.
take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
So guys, we just had a nice delivery while we've been working on the bike. Set a nice titanium subframe bolts from James Payton over at RJP Motorcycles Limited. He's the Evo god around here, so make sure you head over to him. He's got loads of these titanium bits, Evo exhausts, all sorts. Anything you need, head to him.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Tell me like a Hellcat. Hellcat. Tell me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
There you have it. She rolls just, has suspension just. We need to get spaces for the front wheel because we don't have any of those. We've got the wrong spaces in the rear wheel. We need to make those. But yeah, apart from that, most of the other stuff bolts together quite nicely. So we're going to have to be putting bearings in it. We're waiting for a set of electrics. Then what we're going to do is we'll probably do the suspension first, blow apart the suspension, replace all the bearings in that, replace all the seals in the front, seals in the back, bladder in the back. What we got next, from there we'll probably go on to the frame. I'm not telling you what we're doing with the frame yet, but it should look really nice. From there we'll blow apart the wheels. We're going to be powder coating the wheels, putting some new rims on it and making it nice. From there, start building the engine. Once that's done, we can start putting it all together. There's going to be some very trick processes going on this bike and some nice bits going in there. And we've got our eyes on some genuine HRC bits as well. So if we can get those in, it will be all good. So don't forget to head over to our Facebook page. We've got a link to our merch over there. 10% of the profit from that goes to Marie Curie Cancer Support. They do a lot to support families and patients that are going through cancer or are in the end stages of cancer, unfortunately. When we finished, we're going to be auctioning this bike off, and 10% of the profit from that is going to go to Marie Curie. Another percentage is going to go to one of the motorcycle spinal injury recovery charities. We're not sure where we're going to put that yet. And then the rest of that profit is going to go into the next build, and we hope to keep building this bigger and bigger and bigger. We have a goal that we're going to be posting soon. It's a massive goal, and if we can make that money, it's going to help a lot of people. So head over to our merch shop, Silverback Customs UK on Facebook. See you later, guys.